Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool material right here, and basically what this is a case for your iPhone 13 Pro device. But I believe they actually make the same exact case for the iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 Pro Max as well. And this is from the brand called Torras. Let me actually open this up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, you can see how it's all nicely wrapped. So let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take out the case, this is basically actually looks like right here. So it definitely have like that matte clear design right here. And we flip it to the other side. This is what the inside looks like right here. So when you guys feel the material on here, it's pretty flexible. But now I just put it on my phone to show you guys what the case looks like with the phone on. Alright, so I got my phone right here. Let's put it on. Alright, so once we snap it in, you guys can see that this is basically what the case looks like. So you can still see the Apple logo right here in the back. But when you guys look at the side right here, you can definitely see the buttons on here. And they do have the logo right here on the side as well. But definitely press all the buttons right here if you guys want to use the options right here. If you flip it to the other side, you can definitely see the button here as well. And then the bottom part, this is what it looks like right here. So you definitely have the opening to plug in the cable to charge it up. You definitely have the opening for the speaker here as well. If you guys look very carefully in the corner right here, they do have that shockproof material on here. And the cool thing about this case right here is the fact that the material that they use on here is also anti-fingerprint as well. So basically none of your fingerprints should stay on here, which is pretty nice. But definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it feels super soft. And they also mention how the case is anti-yellowing as well. So you shouldn't have to worry about the case turning yellow anytime soon. If you guys look very carefully in the front part right here, and also the back part right here, it's actually raised up a little bit to give that protection. If you guys accidentally drop it, you don't have to worry about it. But definitely when you guys feel the case right here, it feels super slim and actually very thin. So you don't have to worry about the case being too big or too bulky or anything, because it is very slim. And definitely when you guys feel the side right here, it definitely has a good grip. So if you guys want to watch videos or you don't want to hold your phone like this, it definitely gives you guys a good grip on the side. And then obviously for this case, if you guys want to do wireless charging on here, you can definitely do that on here as well. So I do have a wireless charger right here. Let me actually test it out. Alright, so you can see it definitely does work if you guys do want to do wireless charging on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are planning to get like the iPhone 13 or iPhone 13 Pro, or even the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So if you guys want everything that's in this case right here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.